Yo guys, what's up? It's been a long time since I've like posted because school and stuff, and we got the big boy in the house. Anyway, so earlier today we went to a like secondhand Lego store thing called Brick City Bricks. Pretty cool. Not sponsored. We picked out some stuff, and I picked out, here's the box. I picked out this set. It said no minifigs, but I got for $20. As you can see, I have already started building it, but what the heck? We're just gonna film time lapse. So let's get into it.
I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. I cannot see myself without you. We call them fans down, girl, you know we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of...
Oh, forgot to mention that we got friggin' Star Wars Battlefront 2 loading up on the PC, so that's gonna be sick. Anyway.
My way to see you, and I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy, but I cannot see myself without you. We call them fans down, girl, you know we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of the way to see you.
Well, I just looked at that last footage. It was recording for 51 minutes, it said, and something happened with my phone and it glitched, and so yeah, that's why I kind of just jumped from to the end. But anyway, here it is. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.
I want you to be mine.